Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Alright, so in this video today, here I am at Home Goods. So at this particular Home Goods, they have pretty much a large area of things on clearance. So we're going to go and check that out. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music so that you can enjoy the shopping trip. I'll see you at the end. Now let's not forget to head on over to the community tab, where there you're going to find the calendar of collaborations for the month. So now the clearance section in this store was absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.